So today we are reaping Guinea hen weed. This is Guinea hen weed, and this is Guinea hen weed in its younger state. Yes, these are how they look when they are younger. As you notice, the leaves are long and green, and here it's blossoming, and this is a young shoot, young blossom of it. This is when it's more latent. Well, it's more latent than the one before. And here we have a lot in our bag here, and we're about to wash them, get them washed and dried. So yes, this is more latent, and of course it goes later than this. We'll show you one. Hopefully we'll find one here, because these are our younger Guinea hen weed. And Guinea hen weed is great for so many things. It's one of those miracle herbs that whenever you see it, you want to grab it. And here we have a lot of it that we're reaping today. So Guinea hen weed is good for cancer, good for diabetes. Guinea hen weed is good for so much more. Check out the video in the description. We have a playlist on Guinea hen weed, everything Guinea hen weed, that you can check out for more benefits of Guinea hen weed. So yep, that's Guinea hen weed for you. Definitely, if you can get it green, you can get it dried. However you can get it in the powdered form, grab it. It's one that you want to have, and you want to always have it in your house. And yes, the flavor, the tea, it's very pungent, it's very strong. You can when you pee after drinking it, when you pee, your urine will smell of it because it's so strong. Yes, Guinea hen weed, great for your body. Caution: do not take Guinea hen weed when pregnant, as it may lead to a miscarriage. Also, it can be toxic, so avoid taking too much of it internally. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.